So on the day your service line is changed out, someone from the water quality office will show up at your house with a water filter and a sample kit. The water filter is yours to keep. We ask that you use this water filter for any cooking or drinking water until we get the results of this sample, which usually will take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. Let's go over how to do the sample. In your sample kit, you have 2 1-liter bottles and a 3-liter pitcher and a form that will need to be filled out also. Now, water has been off at least 6 hours or more. You'll start with your 3-liter pitcher in your sink. You're going to turn your cold water on, fill it to the black line, and as soon as it gets to that black line, you can pull away and let it start filling your pitcher. As your pitcher fills, make sure your 5th-liter bottle is ready. As your water fills to that 2, 3, 4 line, you're going to put your 5th liter under. Fill it to the black line. Shut your cold water off. The liter bottles will get capped tightly. And because this is the kitchen, this is the service line, the pitcher is the in-between water. That gets dumped out. Everything gets put back in the kit, and then you fill out your form. When you do the form, we will put down what your change out date is. We will tell you which day of the week to sample on. So if your change out was on Monday, you're going to sample on Thursday. We'll write in your address. We want this from the kitchen because most times the 3-liter pitcher does not fit under the bathroom sink. The date and time water was last used. That's the beginning of your at least 6 hours of no water use. At least 6 hours later, when you draw the sample, that date will go here in case it's the next day, and that time will go here. We know that we took out the lead line. What other material do you have in your basement? Most people have copper. A lot of people will still have galvanized. Some have plastic, some have all 3. So we will note that. If you know what it is, you can note that as well. Your checklist over here. Water remained unused for at least 6 hours. Check yes. Both bottles filled to the neck, which is that black line. You'll check yes. If you have a home filtration system attached to your water line, and you're able to bypass it, you'll check yes. If you don't have one, you'll check NA. Whoever takes the sample, you'll print your name, your phone number, sign your name. This form will go back into the plastic sleeve because everything else in that kit will be wet. You'll call the phone number on the form, let us know your address and that your sample is on the porch, and we will come and pick it up.